I'm Russell Payne and I'm the owner of Oypla. Amazon Business is a platform for sellers like ourselves. It gives us the opportunity to tap into Amazon's business customers. Being a customer of Amazon Business myself has really helped our purchasing internally. We can get volume discounts, next day delivery, and it's a service that can't be beaten. We can now tap into Amazon's loyal business customers. We can offer them discount pricing, next day delivery, and VAT invoicing. Amazon Business has helped our business by giving us a wide range of new customers that wasn't seen on the platform before. We now have the ability to sell in bulk with quantity discounts. My top tips for Amazon Business is when you're on board, make sure you put your VAT numbers in correctly. We actually made a mistake and inputted one wrong, and that caused a few problems, so I'd definitely recommend double checking that. Once you're enrolled, make sure you stop sending invoices because Amazon will be sending them for you on your behalf. Another top tip for Amazon Business would be to use the reports that are available in the B2B Seller Central. These reports will really give you an insight to your customers and what products are in demand. The onboarding process for Amazon Business was very easy. We didn't have any problems at all. It was very seamless and very smooth. Since using the VAT calculation service, it's freed time up for customer services, as our team members no longer need to send invoices to customers. Having it in that central place makes it easy for them. They don't have to ask, they just get it. Just make sure you put your VAT numbers in and Amazon take care of everything for you. Simple. As an Amazon Business customer, it displays an exclusive VAT price to me when I'm buying. This really helps me know that I'm buying competitively because I know I can claim the VAT back. Amazon Business as a service has been great for us. It's enabled us to reach out to much more customers.